Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, we are Group 2 and today we will be presenting on the fire insurance policy that we have chosen for the subject INS200. For our first content introduction, I will explain the fire insurance policy offered by Zurich. Provide financial protection against loss or damage caused by fire, covers insured property such as building and contents, basic coverage includes fire, lightning and explosion, issued by Zurich, General Insurance Malaysia, a licensed insurer in Malaysia. Next is suitable for both residential and commercial properties and helps reduce financial burden by covering repair or replacement costs.
Now, let us move on to the scope of cover under Zurich Malaysia's fire insurance policy. This fire insurance policy provides protection against loss or damage to insured property caused by fire and other specified perils. The policy covers buildings, including the structure of the property in permanently fixed fixture, as well as content inside the building, if they are insured under the policy. The standard cover include damage caused by fire, lightning, and explosions, such as domestic gas or boiler explosions. In addition to this basic risk, Zurich fire insurance may also cover other perils depending on the extension selected. These include aircraft damage, impact by vehicle or animal not owned by the insured, and bursting or overflowing of water tanks, pipes, or apparatus. The policy can also be extended to cover riot, strike, and malicious damage, as well as natural disasters such as storm, flood, earthquake, and volcanic eruption, subject to the policy terms and condition. In the event of a loss, Zurich will compensate to policyholder by repairing, replacing, or reinstating the damaged property to a condition similar to before the loss, subject to the sum insured. Overall, the scope of cover under Zurich Fire Insurance provides essential financial protection for property owners against unexpected fire-related risks.
Benefit of the policy. The Zurich Fire Insurance policy provides financial protection against losses caused by fire. It helps cover the cost of repairing or rebuilding damaged property, which can be very expensive. This policy also offers flexible coverage options, allowing policyholders to choose additional protection based on their needs. Overall, it gives peace of mind to property owners because their assets are protected.
So next is exclusion of the policy. First is war and terrorism risk. Fire insurance does not cover losses caused by war, invasion, rebellion, revolution, riots, or terrorist acts. These events are unpredictable and can cause massive destruction, which is beyond the scope of standard fire coverage. 2 is nuclear and radioactive risk. Any damage due to nuclear energy, radiation, or radioactive contamination is excluded. These risks are considered catastrophic and uninsurable under normal fire policy. 3 natural disaster unless a standard cover purchased. Losses from earthquake, volcanic eruptions, storm, typhoon, flood, or landslide are excluded by default. Policyholders can choose additional coverage if they want protection against these natural events. Fourth, certain types of explosion and fire explosions other than domestic gas explosions are not covered. Fire originating underground subterranean fire is also excluded. These exclusions ensure that unusual or high-risk fire events are not automatically insured. Number 5. Willful acts and serious negligence, losses caused by intentional acts, fraud, or gross negligence of the insured are not compensated. Insurers assume that policyholders act honestly and take reasonable care to prevent damage. Data and electronic loss. Damage or loss to data, software, or computer system is excluded. If the physical fire destroys the property causing indirect data loss, this may still be covered. This ensures the policy focuses on physical property damage. Loss, consequential loss, losses such as lost income, profit, or business interruptions are not covered. A separate policy, example business interruption insurance, is needed for these financial losses.
So, why people should buy this policy? Fire accident can happen unexpectedly due to electrical fault, negligence, or natural causes. Without fire insurance, property owner may face serious financial problem because repair and rebuilding costs are very high. By purchasing the Zurich Fire Insurance policy, individuals and businesses can protect their valuable asset and recover faster after a fire incident. In conclusion, the Zurich Fire Insurance policy is an important protection plan for property owners in Malaysia. It provides financial security, flexible coverage, and peace of mind. Therefore, this policy is suitable for both individuals and businesses to reduce financial loss caused by fire. That's all from us. Bye.